Welcome back students to Standard 10th Maths. This is revision October 2020 and we are in the fourth session. Alright, so we completed 56 objective questions in the form of MCQ. So now we proceed further with 57th onwards. Now the question is in the form answer in very short. Yes, first we are going to see the questions from chapter 2. Alright, let's see the first question. If alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial f of x, instead of p of x, the symbol is f of x. Alright, and that is quadratic polynomial x square minus 5x plus k is unknown here, such that alpha minus beta equal to 1. Then find the value of k. You are supposed to find the value of k. Children, there are two methods to solve this. One, yes, alpha minus beta is equal to 1. That is given. And we know sum of zeros of any polynomial, alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. So if you compare b, see what is b? Minus 5. b is minus 5. So minus b will be plus 5 upon a, coefficient of x square is 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Yes, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. If you solve, minus beta plus beta cancels. Alpha plus alpha 2 alpha, 1 plus 5 6. This implies alpha is equal to 3. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Correct children? Okay. So alpha is 3. Okay. Now alpha is 3 children. Uska matlab pf of 3 equal to 0. Array, alpha means one of the value of x. So f of 3 is equal to 0. Now what is f of x? X square minus 5x plus k. So f of 3 square minus 5 into 3. Actually f of x kya hai? X square minus 5x plus k. So wherever you come across x, you are going to put 3. Okay. Plus k is equal to 0. 3 square 9 minus 15 plus k equal to 0. That gives you minus 6 plus k equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 6. So what is the answer? The value of k is 6. Okay. Moving on to the next one, number 58. If alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial f of x equal to kx square plus 4x plus 4, such that alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24, then k is equal to, children, very interesting, alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. Now there is very interesting substitution for this. एक अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है? अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अल्फा इंटू बीटा प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर. उसको आगे लिख देता हूं प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर. सो ये रहा. व्हाट इज अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर? दैट इज दिस minus this. Correct? So alpha plus beta whole square. I am putting for this. Alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square और minus 2 ब्रैकेट में लिखता हूं अल्फा इंटू बीटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू 24. इट कंटिन्यूज. अब देखो हमारे पास पोलिनोमियल एफ ऑफ एक्स क्या है? के एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 4. के इट इज a प्लस 4 इट इज b और प्लस 4 अगेन दैट इज c. करेक्ट? और व्हाट इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा? माइनस b अपॉन a whole square minus 2 into what is alpha into beta? C upon a, that is equal to 24. Put all the values of a, b and c and find k. चलिए, b is 4 so minus 4 upon a is k so upon k whole square minus 2 into c is 4 upon a is k, that is equal to 24. चलिए, 4 square 16 upon k square minus 8 upon k is equal to 24. LCM निकालो, that will be k square. So here 1 and here k. 16 minus 8k is equal to 24. Take k square on other side. मुझे यहाँ कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा. Therefore, 16 minus 8k is equal to 24k square, which implies 24k square. ये minus 8k वो बाजू गया plus 8k plus 16 वो बाजू गया minus 16 equal to 0. वहां 8 कॉमन है. 8 3 जा 24k square plus 8 1 जा 8 into k minus 8 2 जा 16, that is equal to 0. So 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. Children, 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2 equal to 0. 3 2 जा 6. Okay, this quadratic polynomial का factorization आपको पता है. 3k is common, ब्रैकेट में k plus 1. Minus 2 is common, ब्रैकेट में k plus 1 equal to 0. So 3k minus 2 into k plus 1 equal to 0. So this gives k is equal to plus 2 upon 3, and this gives k is equal to minus 1. So these are the two values of k, either 2 upon 3 or minus 1. If this was a multiple choice question, कोई भी एक दिया गया होता, लेकिन fill in आंसर इन वेरी शॉर्ट है. k की वैल्यू, सो द वैल्यू ऑफ k 2 upon 3 and minus 1, दो है, राइट. ओके. 59th, if the sum of squares of zeros of quadratic polynomial f of x, this, okay, find the value of k. Children, something is missing here. Something is missing here. All right. So in the 59, there is the correction. Okay. If the sum of squares of zeros of quadratic polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 8x plus k is 40, that was missing in the statement. Find the value of k. Okay, fine. The sum of squares. Oh children, ये रहा sum of squares. यहाँ सीधा डायरेक्टली दिया था. Alpha square plus beta square equal to 24. Here it is given in terms of words statement. Sum of squares of two zeros equal to 40. Previous sum में 24 दिया था. So same procedure आपको करनी है. Alright, चलिए वो पोलिनोमियल कौन सा है? f of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus k. So what is small a? 1. What is small b? That is minus 8. And what is c? k. Now इसका जो substitution है, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha square plus beta square whole square of alpha plus beta minus 2 times alpha into beta. Alright, that is the substitution for this, and that is equal to 40. Now alpha plus beta is c upon, sorry, minus b upon a whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta, that is c upon a, that is equal to 40. Okay, put the value now. B is minus 8, so minus b is plus 8 upon a is 1 whole square minus 2 into c is k upon a is 1, that is equal to 40. So this implies 8 square 64 minus 2k is equal to 40. Therefore 64 minus 40 is equal to 2k. So 24 is equal to 2k. 2 1s are 2 12s are, i.e. k is equal to 12. So that is the value. Okay children, fine. All right. Now 60th one. Very interesting. Find the quadratic polynomial. You are supposed to find quadratic polynomial. इस बार f of x ढूंढना है, या p of x भी कह सकते हैं, या q of x भी कह सकते हैं, r of x कह सकते हैं. All right. अभी f of x will write that is equal to k into x वेरिएबल है तो लिखो x square minus alpha plus beta, the sum of zeros, into x plus alpha into beta. This is how we write any quadratic polynomial, okay, whose zeros are alpha and beta. where k is non-zero constant, where k is not equal to 0. Alright? ठीक है. Find. तो इस तरीके से हम फाइंड करेंगे quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are respectively 1 upon 4 and minus 1. So sum is 1 upon 4 and product is minus 1. So here I'm writing it. Okay, directly should I write k into x square minus, what is the sum? 1 upon 4 into x plus, what is the product? Minus 1. I'm using the bracket. So children, whenever this रेशनल नंबर्स आ गए, फ्रैक्शनल नंबर्स आ गए, ये k को आप k डैश बताइए, k को आप k डैश बताइए. ओके, आई टेल यू व्हाई. जब भी आपको कोएफिशिएंट में रेशनल नंबर a अपॉन b फॉर्म का नंबर, p अपॉन q फॉर्म का नंबर मिले तो आपको k नहीं k डैश कहना है. चलो k डैश ये अपॉन 1 कर दो, अपॉन 1 कर दो. सो इनटू एलसीएम, एलसीएम इज 4, 1 4 za, 4 1 za, and 1 4 za. Correct? Now, this is 4 into x square, 4x square. 1 into 1, that is 1 with minus x. And 4 1 za, 4 plus minus will become minus. So what you got, children? K dash upon 4. ये 4 को k dash के नीचे लाओ. And then that polynomial 4x square minus x minus 4. अब आप क्या करने वाले हो? ये k डैश अपॉन k को लिखो k इंटू 4x स्क्वायर माइनस x माइनस 4. दिस इज f ऑफ x. आप इसको भी ऐसे फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हो. k डैश नहीं करना हो तो k और यहीं छोड़ दो, सिंप्लीफाई मत करो, या सिंप्लीफाई करके ये लिखो. सिंप्लीफाई करना जरूरी है. सो दिस इज द क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल whose sum and product are 1 upon 4 and minus 1. Alright, good. Moving further, it's again from chapter 2, number 61. If alpha and beta are zeros of this quadratic polynomial, which is f of x equal to x square minus x minus 4, find the value of this. Oh children, यहां हमारे पास सिर्फ दो चीज है, alpha plus beta, that is minus b upon a, and alpha into beta, that is c upon a. याद रखना. ऑलराइट, लेकिन यहां अल्फा इंटू बीटा है, लेकिन दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. लेट्स सी. उसका बड़ा सिंप्लीफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. 1 अपॉन अल्फा प्लस 1 अपॉन बीटा माइनस अल्फा इंटू बीटा. आई वोंट डिस्टर्ब दिस. इसको मैं डिस्टर्ब नहीं करूंगा बिकॉज दैट फॉर्म अल्फा इंटू बीटा वी ऑलरेडी हैव. सो आई ओनली वर्क विद दिस. यस, क्योंकि वो अल्फा प्लस बीटा फॉर्म चाहिए, वो नहीं है. सो टेक एलसीएम, दैट इज अल्फा इंटू बीटा. सो हियर बीटा एंड हियर अल्फा. सो बीटा 1 जा बीटा प्लस अल्फा 1 जा अल्फा माइनस अल्फा इंटू बीटा. नाउ वेरी केयरफुली डू द वर्क प्लीज चिल्ड्रन. चलिए हम अल्फा प्लस बीटा ढूंढ लेते हैं, अल्फा इंटू बीटा एंड अल्फा इंटू बीटा वो ढूंढ लेते हैं. चलिए, व्हाट इज दैट? b is what? Okay, I'll write here. What is a coefficient of x square, which is 1? What is b coefficient of x? That is minus 1. And what is c? The constant term, that is minus 4. यही वैल्यू रख देता हूं. b क्या है? माइनस 1. तो माइनस b क्या है? प्लस 1 अपॉन a क्या है? 1. 1 अपॉन 1, that is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is 1. चलिए, नाउ अल्फा इंटू बीटा. c क्या है? माइनस 4 और अपॉन a क्या है? 1. सो दैट इज माइनस 4. सो अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज माइनस 4. पुट द वैल्यू केयरफुली. बीटा प्लस अल्फा, दैट इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा ओनली, दैट इज 1. अल्फा इंटू बीटा, दैट इज माइनस 4. माइनस अगेन अल्फा इंटू बीटा, दैट इज माइनस 4. सो दैट इज 1 upon 4 with minus sign plus 4 upon 1. So LCM is 4. 1 za, O za. 1 1 za 1 with minus sign. 4 4 za 16 with plus sign. So that is plus 15 upon O. So what is the value of this expression? ये एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू क्या है? 15 upon 4. Clear? A similar question here. alpha and beta are zeros of this quadratic polynomial and the polynomial is here. Find the value of this. आपको किसकी वैल्यू ढूंढनी है? अल्फा स्क्वायर बीटा प्लस अल्फा बीटा स्क्वायर. अरे हमारे पास तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा है और अल्फा इंटू बीटा है. अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज माइनस बी अपॉन ए, अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज सी अपॉन ए. ऑलराइट, अब डायरेक्ट वैल्यू डाल दे यहां. चलिए बी क्या है? ओके, वन बाय वन लिखते हैं. व्हाट इज ए? 4. व्हाट इज बी? -5. एंड व्हाट इज सी? कांस्टेंट -1. सो माइनस बी will be +5. b is -5, so minus b will be +5 upon a is 4. So alpha plus beta is 5 upon 4. Now c upon a, -1 upon 4. So -1 upon 4 is alpha into beta. चलिए अब इसको कुछ सिंप्लीफाई करो and try to get the values in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. क्या करें? 2 टर्म्स में कॉमन निकालना पड़ेगा. What is that? Alpha is common and beta is common. So one alpha is left plus beta is left. Now the work is done. What is alpha into beta? -1 upon 4 into. What is alpha plus beta? 5 upon 4. Done. Nothing cancels. 1 5s are 5. 4 4s are 16. And it is -5 upon 16. -5 upon 16 is the value. Is that clear to you? Okay. Let's see the next question. If alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial which is f of t, the variable is t square minus 4t plus a, find the value. ओके, फिर से वैल्यू ढूंढनी है. चलिए पहले मैं यहां a, b और c लिख देता हूं. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ t स्क्वायर 1, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ t -4 एंड कांस्टेंट टर्म 3. अल्फा प्लस बीटा ढूंढ लेता हूं विच इज -b अपॉन a. b is -4, so -b will be +4 upon a is 1, so that is 4. Correct? अल्फा इंटू बीटा ढूंढ लेता हूं, दैट इज c अपॉन ए. c is 3 upon 1, 3 upon 1, that will be 3. Is that clear? Now the value that we have to find is alpha raised to 4 into beta cube plus alpha cube into beta raised to 4. Alpha raised to 4, alpha cube. So alpha cube is common. Beta cube into beta raised to 4. So beta cube is common. So one alpha is left and one beta is left. Children, you have to be smart here. Alpha cube, beta cube. So index is common. Whole cube you may write. And inside alpha into beta into the next bracket alpha plus beta. Now those values are available. What is alpha into beta? 3. 3 upon 1 means 3. 3 cube. And what is alpha plus beta? 4. So into 4. 3 cube is 27 into 4. 4 7s are 28 to 10. Correct? So 108. So this value is 108. I hope you have understood that. Clear? Moving further, children. All right. Few objective questions, definitions, standard form. Okay. Let's see one by one. Define a polynomial with real coefficients. Okay. So what is a polynomial? I'm going to define polynomial. All right. So let x be a variable. आप कोई भी वेरिएबल चूज कर सकते हैं, x, y, t, p. ओके. n be a positive integer. जो डिग्री लिखना है वो positive integer, and a0, a1, a2 be constants. That means real numbers. They are any real numbers. It can be 0, it can be negative real number, positive real number. Yes. Then how do you write f of x? F of x is equal to a0 x raised to n plus a1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a2 x raised to n minus 2 plus ... an an. The last term will be an. Okay. Last term will be an, where this first term a naught not equal to 0. This is called a polynomial in variable x. Is called a polynomial in variable x. Alright, children? So it's here. Let x be variable, n be positive integer, and these are some real numbers. Then f of x equal to a naught x raised to n plus a1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a2 x raised to n minus 2 plus dot dot dot. And last term only an, constant term, there is no x there. Where a naught not equal to 0 is called a polynomial in variable x. That is the definition of polynomial. What is degree of a polynomial? Degree of polynomial. Yes, this n which is exponent, जो n होता है, so the exponent of the highest degree term in a polynomial is known as its degree. आप इसमें देखोगे तो हाईएस्ट डिग्री n है, फिर n minus 1 उससे छोटा, n minus 2 उससे छोटा, so it becomes smaller. So highest is n, so degree of this polynomial in standard form is n. Okay, now number 66. What is that? Write standard form of linear polynomial with real coefficients. Okay, p of x is equal to first coefficient a, linear, so degree is 1, x raised to 1 plus b, where a not equal to 0. A and b are real numbers. Are you getting me, children? Okay, this is standard form of linear polynomial. Write standard form of quadratic polynomial with real coefficients. Quadratic polynomial means degree 2. Linear polynomial means degree equal to 1. Here quadratic chahiye, so degree should be 2. Okay, so a is the coefficient, degree 2, so x square. The next coefficient is b, degree 1, and next is constant term. Of course, don't forget to write where a is not equal to 0. So this is how we write standard form of quadratic polynomial. Okay, write standard form. Now cubic polynomial with real coefficient. Okay, p of y, मैंने variable बदल दिया, a. Now this time degree has to be 3. Correct? It's cubic. So y cube, variable I have changed, plus b y square plus c y plus d, where the leading coefficient a is not equal to 0. So this is cubic polynomial expressed in standard form. Alright? Okay. Now, what is next? Define value of polynomial at a point. Now, what is value of polynomial? Value of polynomial. Okay. What is that? If f of x is a polynomial and alpha beta are the two zeros, बराबर ने? So I am taking only one, and alpha is any real number, then the real number obtained, आप ये x की जगह पे अल्फा डाल दो तो एक नया नंबर मिलेगा, p of x की वैल्यू मिलेगी. The number obtained by replacing x by alpha in f of x, correct, is called the value of f of x at x equal to alpha. All right, and it is denoted by f of alpha, value of polynomial at x equal to alpha. Clear, children? Now next one is define 0 of a polynomial. I've already written it here. What is zero of polynomial? A real number alpha is zero of polynomial f of x if f of alpha equal to 0. That's it. Moving ahead, children, number 71. If product of zeros, matlab alpha into beta, of a quadratic polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 4x plus k is 3. This product of 0 is 3. So alpha into beta is 3. So let me write alpha into beta is 3. Find the value of k. Children, bada aasan hai. What is left hand side alpha into beta? C upon a. That is equal to 3. अब f of x क्या है? X square minus 4x plus k. So what is a? Coefficient of x square, which is 1. What is b? Coefficient of x, which is minus 4. And what is c? Constant, that is k. Put the value. What is c here? This implies k upon a 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, k is equal to 3. Clear? Next. If the sum of zeros of this quadratic polynomial is 1, this time sum of zeros is 1. Sum of zeros means alpha plus beta. That is 1. But what is alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a. That is 1. Cross multiply करिए. Minus b equal to a. ये इक्वेशन आया. अब a और b की वैल्यू अंडर द अब a और b की वैल्यू इसमें डाल दो. But what are the values of a and b? So what is f of x? That is kx square minus 3x plus 5. So you want a and b. This is your a and this is your b. What is b? Minus 3. So minus b will be 3. What is your a? K. My God. So you got k equal to 3. Is that clear to you? Okay. Number 73. If x equal to 1, so one of the zero is given, alpha bolo, beta bolo, jo bhi bolo. If x equal to 1 is 0 of this polynomial, write the value of k. Children, x equal to 1. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to 0. आपकी समझ में आई बात? और f of और f of x है क्या? Here it is. X cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus k. So f of 1 क्या बनेगा? Wherever you come across x, you put 1. So that is 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus k. लेकिन this f of 1 is 0. So 0 is equal to 1 cube 1 minus 1 square 1 and 1 2s are 2 plus 4 plus k. So 0 is equal to 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 plus k. This implies k is equal to minus 3. Clear, children? Sure? Okay. Now next. Alpha minus. Now next. A minus b, a and a plus b are zeros. 3 है. Of a cubic polynomial f of x. Thus, write the value of a या find the value of a. A की value ढूंढनी है. Children, so you are given alpha a minus b, beta a and gamma a plus b. Children, alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha and alpha into beta into gamma. ये 3 चीज है for a quadratic cubic polynomial. This is minus b upon a, this is c upon a and this is minus d upon a. याद है? Okay. कौन सा यूज करोगे to find? Best would be this. क्यों? देखो, alpha that is a minus b plus beta that is a plus gamma that is a plus b that is equal to. Children, you have to be careful now. ये quadratic polynomial, ये cubic polynomial में this is A, this is B, this is C and this one is D. You require only, ये A और B और वो A और B अलग है. ये red A और B, they are the coefficients here. Let me write red only. What is B? Minus 26. So minus B will be plus 26 upon A is 2. So that is 2 ones are 2 13s are. Minus B plus B cancels. This implies A plus A plus A. 3A is equal to 13. That implies A is equal to 13 by 3. Whatever. It's a strange value, but that is the value of A. Is that clear to you, children? Okay. Next, number 75. If x plus a is a factor of this polynomial, find a. Children, x plus a is a factor. उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? p of plus a नहीं, minus a equal to 0. Now p of x क्या है? What is p of x? Polynomial in variable x. 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10. So p of minus a क्या बनेगा? Wherever you come across x, put minus a. 2 into minus a square plus 2a into, of course, minus a plus 5 into minus a plus 10. ठीक है. Now you know what is p of a. What is p of a? That is 0. So here this p of a is 0 equal to, ये square plus हो जाएगा. So 2a square and plus minus minus 2a square. This minus 5a plus 10 plus 2a square minus 2a square minus 5a square, a bring on other side. So that implies plus 5a equal to 10. This implies a is equal to 10 by 5 and that is equal to 2. So what is the value of a? 2. Clear, children? Yeah, of course, in this case it is 2. The value of k is 2 here. Number 76. If 1 0 polynomial f of x thus is reciprocal, then what is the value of k? 1 0 is reciprocal of the other. Reciprocal, children, alpha is 1 upon b. उसका मतलब ये एक 0 दूसरे का रेसिप्रोकल है. So उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अल्फा इंटू बीटा इक्वल टू 1. Now what is alpha into beta? वो फॉर्मूला c upon a, that is equal to 1. So यहां से क्या मिला आपको? c is equal to a. अब put the value of c and a. What is c? That is k. And what is a? That is pi. सीधा मिल गया. k is equal to pi. Is that clear? लेकिन ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको समझना होगा. चलिए नेक्स्ट. For what value of k minus 4 is 0 of polynomial? Children, minus 4 is 0 of polynomial. That means alpha is equal to minus 4, or you can say that is equal to x, one value of x. Now this is 0 of polynomial. So you know 0 polynomial p of alpha equal to 0. That means p of minus 4 equal to 0. अब p of x क्या है? p of x is x square minus x minus 2k plus 2. So therefore p of p of minus 4 क्या होगा? So wherever you come across x, put minus 4. Minus 4 square minus 4, open the bracket, minus 2k minus 2. Now what is this p of minus 4? 0. So that is 0. Square, so plus 16. Minus plus 4 minus 2k minus 2. Take this minus 2k on left hand side, so it becomes plus 2k. 16 plus 2, 16 plus 4, 20. 20 minus 2, 18. 2 1s are 2 9s are. So you got k is equal to 9. That's it. Clear, children? Fine. Moving ahead, children. Number 78. State whether the following pair of linear equations in two variables has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. याद करो children. U and I. यहाँ इनफाइनाइट, ये नो सॉल्यूशन, एंड हियर यूनिक सॉल्यूशन. यूनिक कब होगा, नो कब होगा, और इनफाइनाइट कब होगा? तो आई एम राइटिंग इट. यूनिक कब होगा, व्हेन a1 upon a2 नॉट इक्वल टू b1 upon b2 नॉट इक्वल टू c1 upon c2. नो सॉल्यूशन कब होगा, when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. और इनफाइनाइट कब होगा, when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. बस चिल्ड्रन, आपको a1 b1 c1 वैल्यू ढूंढनी होगी. पहला पोलिनोमियल ये है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म लिख दो, 6x प्लस 5y माइनस 11 इक्वल टू 0. इसको वो बाजू ले गए. सो व्हाट इज a1? 6. What is B1? 5. And what is C1? Minus 11. Be careful, children. Now next. 9x plus 15 by 2y minus 21 equal to 0. A2, B2, C2. What is A2? 9. What is B2? 15 by 2. And what is C2? That is minus 21. अब चेक करो नाउ. a1 अपॉन a2 क्या मिलता है, 6 अपॉन 9, 3 2 जा 3 3 जा, सो 2 अपॉन 3. b1 अपॉन b2 ढूंढो, 5 अपॉन सो डिवाइड बाय 15 अपॉन 2, सो दैट इज 15, सॉरी दिस इज 5 अपॉन 15, सो 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 अपॉन 15, 5 1 जा 5 3 जा, so that is 2 upon 3. ये भी 2 upon 3, ये भी 2 upon 3. Now C1 upon C2 ढूंढ लीजिए. C1 upon C2 is equal to C1 minus 11, C2 minus 21. So ये minus minus plus, so that is 11 upon 21. वो अलग है. So आपको पता चलता है कि A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, but not equal to C1 upon C2. वो सिचुएशन में नो सॉल्यूशन. सो आंसर इज नो सॉल्यूशन. इसका कोई भी सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. इज दैट क्लियर? ऐसा ही कुछ नेक्स्ट में. डिटरमाइन द वैल्यू ऑफ k फॉर विच, या यू हैव टू डिटरमाइन द वैल्यू ऑफ k फॉर विच द गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन हैज ए यूनिक सॉल्यूशन. चलो पहला इक्वेशन, x माइनस ky माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0. सो a1 b1 c1, a1 x का कोएफिशिएंट 1, b1 y का कोएफिशिएंट माइनस k, और c1 दैट इज माइनस 2. नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन, 3x प्लस 2y माइनस 5 को ये बाजू ले जाओ, प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0. सो दिस गिव्स यू a2 b2 c2. a2 क्या है, x का कोएफिशिएंट 3, b2 क्या है, y का कोएफिशिएंट 2, C2 क्या है, कांस्टेंट 5. ऑल राइट, नाउ दिस सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन हैज यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, ये वाला. सो वी नो दैट a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. Put the values. What is a1? 1 upon a2 3 not equal to b1 minus k, b2 2 not equal to c1 minus 2, c2 5. All right. So determine the value of k. Children, अब बराबर समझना होगा. I'll take this transitivity. So cross multiplication करोगे तो 2 upon 3 is not equal to minus k. ये एक वैल्यू मिली, और इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो दूसरी वैल्यू मिलेगी. माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया ये, 2 2 जा 4, k is not equal to 4 upon 5. All right. So children, यहां आंसर आपको क्या लिखना होगा? आई एम राइटिंग द आंसर ऑफ दिस ईयर. Any value of k, that is any real number other than 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. ओ ये माइनस है तो यहां माइनस हो जाएगा, ये प्लस. सो माइनस 2 अपॉन 3, k इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 अपॉन 3, और k नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस 2 अपॉन 3 एंड k नॉट इक्वल टू 4 अपॉन 5. ये दो वैल्यू के अलावा k की कोई भी वैल्यू, डिटरमाइन द वैल्यू ऑफ k. So value of k is any real number but not minus 2 upon 3 and not equal to 4 upon 5. Is that clear to you children? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Determine the value of k for which this system of equations has infinitely many solutions. And this is the equation. K minus 3 into x plus 3y equal to k. तो minus k equal to 0. So a1, b1, c1. देखते हैं क्या है. a1 coefficient of x which is k minus 3. a2 coefficient of y that is 3. And c1 is constant minus k. And what is the next equation? kx plus ky is equal to 12. Standard form में लिखोगे तो kx plus ky minus 12 equal to 0. So you get a2, b2, c2. What is a2? Coefficient of x which is k. b2 coefficient of y that is also k. c2 constant that is minus 12. Now this system of equation has infinitely many solutions. So this is applicable. So we know that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. इस वक्त इक्वल है, नॉट इक्वल नहीं है. चलो पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ a1 upon a2 that means k minus 3 upon k is equal to b1 upon b2 that is 3 upon k is equal to c1 upon c2 that is minus k upon minus 12. ऊपर नीचे माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया. ओके आपको k की वैल्यू ढूंढनी है, कोई भी ले लो, आसान सा ले लो, ये ले लो, दिस वुड बी इजियर. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करो, k स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 36. सो k इज इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस 6. So what is the value of k? Plus 6 या minus 6. Now 81st. Determine the value of k for which the given system of equation has no solution. No solution means a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. चलिए आप देखते हैं स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ही है 2x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0. So a1, b1, c1. a1 is the coefficient of x, 2. b1 is coefficient of y, that is minus k. And c1 is constant term k. The other equation, is it in its standard form? Yes. 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So a2, b2, c2, second equation. a2 is 3, b2 is 2. And C2 is minus 1. Now no solution. मतलब ये we know that क्या a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. अब आपको वैल्यू ऑफ k डिटरमाइन करना है, सो सिर्फ इक्वल टू लेना है. चलो व्हाट इज a1 2 upon a2 3 is equal to b1 minus k और b2 2. दैट्स इट. इक्वल टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 4 upon 3 is equal to minus k. यहां मैं भूल गया था, अभी नहीं भूलेंगे. दिस इंप्लाइज प्लस k is minus 4 upon 3. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ k? minus 4 upon 3. यहां तो नॉट इक्वल टू आएगा. सो दैट्स इट. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू चिल्ड्रन? सो वी कंटिन्यू द चैप्टर 3, moving on to number 82. All right. What is the statement, children? For what value of k equations, a pair of equations of course, this and this represent coincident lines. Children फिर से याद करो. U N I. U for unique, N for no solution, and I for infinite solutions. Children, unique solution means distinct intersecting lines. No solution means parallel lines. And infinite solution means coincident lines. Alright, so here we have coincident lines. So this, now for infinite solutions what we have? a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. इसको भी याद करा दूं. A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. And for parallel lines, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. Let's see here the first equation. Yeah, we have to write them in standard form. Okay. It is already in its standard form. X plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. So let's write A1, B1, C1. What is A1? Coefficient of X, that is 1. B1, coefficient of Y, that is 2. Constant C1, that is 7. Now next equation is what? Yeah, it is also in its standard form. 2x plus ky plus 14 equal to 0. So what is A1, B? This is A2, second equation, B2 and C2. What is A2? 2. What is B2? K. And what is C2? 14. Alright. Value of K is required. And you know you are going to pick this. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Alright. Put the values. A1 is 1, A2 is 2. So 1 upon 2. B1 is 2, B2 is K. So 2 upon K. C1 upon C2, that is 7 upon 14. Children, दो में से कोई भी लो, result same आएगा. Here transitivity is there, right? So you can pick up first two, that would be easier. Cross multiplication karo, so K is equal to O. Correct? Yeah, if you would have picked this, you would have got the same result. Cross multiplication 2 multiplied by 14, नीचे 7 और ऊपर K. 7 1s are 7 2s are K equal to 4. Clear? Okay. Moving on to the next one. For what value of K will this pair of equation represent distinct intersecting lines? Distinct intersecting lines, that means they have unique solution. So this is the result. Again children, for what value of K? और यहाँ तो not equal to आएगा. So you will have to write the answer very smartly. Let's see the equation. Oh, can I write A1, A2, A1, B1 and C1 directly? Be careful. What is A1? 1. What is B1? 2. और ये plus 5 उधर जाएगा. So C1 is minus 5. Okay? चलिए. Then let's write A2, B2, C2. These are the coefficient of second equation. चलिए, what is A1? 3. Sorry, A2, 3. B2, K. And this is already standard form. So minus 15. Alright? Right, intersecting lines. So A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. So 1 upon 3 not equal to B1 upon B2. So 2 upon K not equal to. Yes, C1 upon C2, that is minus 5 upon minus 15. Minus minus you can take plus. 5 1s are 5 3s are. So you may take this first, cross multiplication. K not equal to 2 multiplied by 3. So K should not be equal to 6. Now take this. Take this, you will get the same. K not equal to 2 multiplied by 3. So K not equal to 6. So what is the value of K? You cannot say K not equal to 6. You can say K is any real number other than 6. 6 के अलावा कोई भी चलेगा, but 6 should not be the value of K. So this is how you have to write the answer. Be careful children. Last one for this session. For what value of K will this equation pair, okay, represent parallel lines? Okay, parallel lines now. So I think same equation you are having. So A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are same. Isn't it? See, x plus 2y equal to 5, 3x plus ky minus 15 equal to 0. Alright? Chaliye. So here A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. Children, what value of K? So only equal to you take. If you take not equal to, that is not the value. So this, what is A1? 1 upon 3 equal to B1 2 and that K. Is that clear to you? So you may take this value, k is equal to 6. So here the value of k is 6, for which this system of equations are parallel lines. Is that clear to you, children? Okay, that's all in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.